Category 1, Text. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It excels in generating human-like text responses, making it an ideal tool for chatbots, content creation, and even brainstorming ideas. Its versatility and ability to understand context make it a standout in natural language processing. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a creative copywriting assistant. It utilizes AI to generate compelling and engaging content for various purposes, such as marketing copy, social media posts, and blog articles. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to save time on content creation without compromising quality. Wordtune. Wordtune is a writing enhancement tool that goes beyond traditional grammar checks. It suggests improvements to your writing style, making it more concise, engaging, and tailored to your target audience. It's like having a personal writing coach that helps you polish your content effortlessly. Category 2, Audio. Deepgram. Deepgram is an automatic speech recognition (ASR) platform. It converts spoken language into written text, making it a valuable tool for transcribing audio content, from podcasts to business meetings. Its accuracy and speed set it apart in the audio processing domain. Lyrebird. Lyrebird specializes in voice synthesis, allowing users to create custom, realistic artificial voices. Whether you're a content creator looking for unique narration or a developer integrating voice technology into applications, Lyrebird offers a novel approach to generating lifelike voices. Category 3, Video. Magisto. Magisto is an AI-powered video editing platform designed for simplicity and efficiency. It analyzes your footage and automatically creates professionally edited videos, complete with transitions, music, and effects. It's perfect for those who want polished videos without the learning curve of complex editing software. Trint. Trint is a transcription tool that utilizes AI to convert spoken words into text. Beyond traditional transcription services, Trint's advanced features include speaker identification and the ability to edit transcripts alongside audio, streamlining the video content creation process. Category 4, Design. Figma. Figma is a collaborative design platform with AI-powered features. It enables teams to work seamlessly on design projects in real time, fostering collaboration and creativity. From UI/UX design to prototyping, Figma streamlines the design process for professionals and beginners alike. Category 5, Work. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that simplifies collaboration and task organization. While not strictly an AI tool, Trello can integrate with various AI-powered extensions to enhance features like automation, data analysis, and task prioritization, making project management even more efficient. Briefly.ai. Briefly.ai is an AI-powered summarization tool. It helps users extract key information from lengthy documents, saving time and improving efficiency. It's a valuable asset for professionals who need to quickly grasp the main points of complex materials. Slack AI. While there isn't a specific Slack AI, integrating AI tools and bots into Slack can enhance communication and productivity. From language translation bots to automated reminders, leveraging AI within the Slack platform can streamline workflows and keep teams organized. Links of all these AI tools are attached in the description of this video. Hit the like button, share it and subscribe to Infomercial and Ed Forum. Your passport to a world of learning.